Because Copia keeps a complete record of the changes made to your PLC files, it's easy to restore any previous version for debugging, disaster recovery, and more. From Copia's desktop app, with your selected repository open, under the History tab, right-click on the commit that you'd like to return to, and select Checkout Commit. This will revert the state of all the files in your repository to the state they were in when that commit was made. This commit is made into a temporary branch, called a detached head. Commits made to a detached head are temporary, so it's important to either turn your temporary branch into a permanent one, or to recommit these files onto an existing branch. To commit this version of your repository over your most recent version of an existing branch, copy the contents of your repository into a temporary folder located outside your repository. Back in Copia's desktop app, select a branch to house your restored repository. This will set the contents of your repository to the most recent version in that branch. In Windows Explorer, move your repository contents from your temporary folder back into your repository. Overwrite any conflicting files, and commit these changes back in Copia's desktop app. With this workflow, Copia lets you quickly bring any previous version of your PLC files onto the front of your project history as the most recent version.